You don't have to watch this video if you don't want to. You mustn't watch this video. You have to not watch this video, or you have to watch this video. What's the difference and what is okay to say? Don't have to means there is no necessity, so you don't have to watch this video. You mustn't watch this video means you're prohibited or you're told that it's not a good thing to watch this video. You have to not watch this video is a bit peculiar, and normally for the negative of have to, if we're giving a negative thing that you have to not do, we use mustn't. You certainly can't say, I haven't to get up. That does not work. It doesn't exist. You can say, I don't have to get up. It means in Spanish, no tengo por qué. I don't have to pay tax on this. He didn't have to drive because his brother was driving. If you make it negative, sometimes you use can. He couldn't drive because he was too drunk. That means he wasn't allowed to drive. When people are speaking, they might just say, you have to not do that, but you wouldn't write that. You would say, you shouldn't do that, you can't do that, you mustn't do that. Need is a little bit different to have, because I said you can't say, I haven't to do that. But with need, it's a bit different. You can say, I need to get up early. But we can also say, I needn't get up early. That means exactly the same as I don't need to get up early. They're exactly the same. They mean the same. So listen to these. You needn't come if you don't want to. We needn't spend so much on this. And there you go. Needn't is the short form. You can also use the long form. You need not come if you don't want to. That is haven't for you.